Hello, I'm dentist Zeynep Sudeçakır from Klinik M. In this video, I will share insights on the importance of oral hygiene and professional dental cleaning. Oral hygiene is not only essential for a healthy smile, but also plays a significant role in overall health. Daily oral care helps protect teeth from decay and prevent gum diseases. However, brushing alone is not sufficient. Supporting this routine with dental floss and mouthwash is crucial for comprehensive oral care. Why is professional dental cleaning necessary? Regardless of how meticulous our daily care routine is, plaque and tartar can build up over time. These deposits may lead to gum inflammation, bleeding, and even more severe gum diseases in the long run. Tartar can also be one of the leading causes of bad breath. That's why regular professional dental cleaning is an important step in maintaining oral health. At Klinik M, dental cleaning is performed in a highly comfortable and effective manner. During the procedure, plaque and tartar are removed with special tools. The teeth are then polished to achieve a smooth and shiny surface, delaying the formation of new plaque and enhancing aesthetics. Maintaining oral hygiene involves brushing your teeth twice a day for at least 2 minutes each time. Pay close attention to your gum line and the back surface of your teeth while brushing. Using an electric toothbrush can significantly improve the effectiveness of your cleaning routine, and I highly recommend incorporating one. Lastly, don't neglect regular dental checkups. Visiting your dentist at least twice a year for professional cleaning and oral health assessment is essential for preventing potential issues. At Klinik M, we are here to support you in protecting your oral health. For a healthier smile and greater confidence, feel free to visit our clinic. Thank you for listening and stay confident with a healthy smile.